Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another video. I bring another cosplay related video. This is a 3D printed related video and it's a Black Panther mask. Actually this came out almost perfect. The only issue I had was with this top part and I'll explain why. So this was printed in an Ender 3 Pro. It was a long print, around 3 days it said. The only issue with this was the top part. It was supposed to come out, but because the Ender 3 Pro is small at the top, this was supposed to be expanding and opening more because it's supposed to go like this. So it was supposed to open up the space here, and it didn't actually. And it was just, let's just say this: the Ender 3 Pro is not big enough for this print. So what happened was the helmet was shifted to the inside, so I got a lot of stringing and I had to stop the print because it wasn't gonna come out the way it was supposed to. So it was a big issue with that. The print was a failed print, but overall I'm looking at the details of the whole helmet and everything. The helmet file was by the DO3D and it's just perfect, guys. It's a beautiful helmet. I was really hoping that I can really reprint it. I might have to get a bigger print and they're 5 or something like that. I can actually have it. I wanted to cut it in half, but at the same time I was trying to get this part complete because, you know, gluing this kind of helmet together is not fun and it loses the little details when you have to split it into too many parts. I was hoping I could do this just in one shot, this part, because I still got 1 part, 2, 3, it's gonna be 4 parts. So I was hoping to do it just 1 part, you know, one big part here, another one. But sadly it didn't work like that. So right now I'm just debating what to do on how to fix it. But DO3D has amazing files. I wanted to show you this, guys. Can you guys see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you guys can see the details there, it's amazing details. I will say try to flip the helmet over because and it says the file from DO3D. Well, and I was saying fill the helmet over so it starts on the bottom and you don't have to use too much infill, because if you print it like this whole thing is gonna fill out with infill and you're gonna waste your PLA like this. So do a little research because that's what I'm doing. You learn, you live and you learn. I love it. Sadly, it's not what I was hoping for. It's a perfect one. It's gonna be a little bit of work, but what can you do? I can't complain about that. It's actually fun to work on these things, but overall, the PLA is pretty good, pretty resistant. I'm using SUNLU. I'm gonna post the links for everything I use down below. Hopefully this helps you guys. Let me know. It's a failed print to a certain extent. Still fixable, still a lot of work I can do to it. So let me know what you guys think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.